In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Xero Projects. Xero Projects is a convenient and efficient tool for managing your business projects, tracking time and expenses, and ensuring that everything stays organized. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the top bar of your Xero dashboard, where you'll find the Projects tab. Click on that option to access your project's workspace. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll manage everything pertaining to your projects. Once you're in the Projects section, go ahead and select All Projects. This page lists every project you've created or are currently working on. It provides a great overview of the status and details of all your projects in one convenient location. From here, you can easily locate any specific project you're interested in by browsing through the list. Now, if you're ready to kick off a brand new project, look towards the top right of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled New Project. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter the necessary details for this new endeavor. Be sure to fill out all mandatory fields, such as the project name, customer details, and description. This information will help keep your project well documented right from the start. If you wish to view or make changes to a project already in progress, simply click on its name from the list you were previously observing. Doing so will take you into the project's detailed view, where you can add or refine several crucial aspects. For instance, you can add expenses to the project, which is useful for keeping track of costs associated with it. To do this, you'll find options to assign bills directly to the project. This not only ensures that all team members are on the same page, but it also aids in managing budgets and forecasting expenses. Additionally, within this detailed view, you have the ability to create invoices or quotes. This function can prove invaluable for maintaining transparency with your clients or partners by providing them with clear financial outlines of the project. Plus, using Xero Projects streamlines this process, allowing you to do it all in one place efficiently. And that's essentially the overview of getting started with Xero Projects. As you can see, whether you're initiating a new project, viewing current ones, or handling financial elements like expenses and invoices, Xero Projects provides a comprehensive platform to manage everything efficiently. It's designed to make your project management tasks simpler and more organized, ultimately helping you focus more on delivering the work and less on managing it. Keep experimenting with these features to see how they best suit your workflow and business needs. We've covered the basics today, but there's always more to learn as you start using this powerful tool in your day-to-day activities.